Need to submit a maintenance request? We're here to help. Here's how you can easily submit your request with EGL Properties in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your tenant portal. This is where all your requests, payments, and property updates are managed. If you don't have access yet, contact our office and we'll get you set up right away. Step 2. Once you're in the portal, head over to the Maintenance section. This is where you can submit a new request and track the status of previous requests. Step 3. Describe the issue you're experiencing in as much detail as possible. Be sure to include the location of the problem and any relevant information that will help our team understand the issue. Step 4. If possible, upload photos or videos of the issue. This helps our maintenance team diagnose the problem faster and ensures we come prepared to fix it. Step 5. After reviewing your details, hit Submit. You'll receive a confirmation, and we'll get to work scheduling the necessary repairs. You can track the progress of your request directly through the portal. Our maintenance team will respond quickly and efficiently to resolve the issue. Whether it's a minor fix or something more urgent, we're committed to making sure your home stays comfortable and in top condition. For emergency repairs like a water leak or electrical issues, don't wait. Call us directly at our 24/7 emergency line. We'll respond immediately to any urgent needs. At EGL Properties, we're dedicated to keeping your home in great shape. Submitting a maintenance request is quick, easy, and ensures any issues are addressed promptly. Have a maintenance request? Log into your tenant portal today or contact us if you need assistance. We're here to help. Visit eglproperties.com to log into your tenant portal and submit your request. We're always here to keep your home running smoothly.